I think there's nothing to say more, but as you said, it's okay the fuel we have for today due to the weather conditions, and I think we can go and try to get the flight in on time. That is our goal for today.
Great. The thing will be also to check the no times on the aircraft, so we can go really straight to it and fast and do it punctual. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go for it.
Let's go.
Okay, now let's talk a little bit about the flight today. For us, the most important thing is safety, flight safety. So what I would like you to do today is that if you feel or hear or think that there are any vibrations or whatever in the aircraft, just feel very confident to tell us, Laura or me, in any moment, whatever you see. Okay? So we will be aware of it, and for us it's very important. You are our eyes, our senses in the plane, right? Okay, one more thing about safety, which is very important, also about passengers. So anytime that in the boarding you see that any passenger is any kind of violence because of alcohol or drugs, whatever, just let us know immediately so we can disembark him and call the authorities, and so we don't have to fly with a problem that we really know that it's going to be a problem. So let's eliminate all risks in our flights, okay? This will be the briefing for the 3 days that we're going to fly together. Are you going to fly with us the three? Not you? Oh, okay. Well, we will miss you. In this case, for all of you, it will be the same, okay? So if there is any changes or we have some news about anything different, we will have a small briefing in that time, okay? For the data, for the flight data today...
It's good weather, it's 1 hour 50 flight, and in Paris we have good conditions, smooth air, we don't have any turbulence during the flight, so I think it's going to be a good Saturday for us.
Okay. So one more thing, for other things about just commercial things and all this stuff, okay, we were going to be standard. We will follow all the rules, and for the new rule for the ramps, we will do the new, of course, and we will tell you anytime. And Laura will say through the PA when we will have to arm and disarm in the new procedure. Okay, if you have any doubt, if you have any question, if you want to know something else that you are not sure about it, just let us know anytime. Okay. To go through the cockpit, we talked a little bit earlier about the passwords, okay? So we will follow them, and but after that, if you want, you can come to the cockpit and check whatever you want, okay? And just feel comfortable to ask anything you want in any time of the flight. And do you have any question? Everything is fine for you, guys? Everything fine? Okay, perfect, great.
Right now we are going to perform the walk around for the aircraft. It's very important due to security because this is the first flight of the day. We have daily check performed from a maintenance team, but even though it's the last chance we have to see if there is any kind of hydraulic leak or any kind of damage with all these machines we have around the aircraft. So I have to do it 10 minutes before the flight's gone, so it's the last chance to see any problem we have. We perform this walk around every flight and every single stop we do with the aircraft. Even more is if the first flight of the crew with this flight. This is a 320, as we know. We have 319, 320, 321. This is the medium range of the fleet, and we are going to start then. Now I'm going to tell the captain. It's completely the same. Here we go. Also the wheels, also the brakes. Also there is any hydraulic leaks. Perfect, the brake pumps. Perfect. And sometimes you have to take care because if it's the first flight of the day, maybe they took the aircraft from another position, so they take with the tow bar, and maybe the gear pins are also already set, so you have to be very careful that you don't have the gear pins on the main landing gear, that after all you cannot switch, to retract the landing gear, or there is quite of things to see and to take care of.
Good morning, Madrid. This is Iberia 3436. Madrid, good morning, Iberia 3436.
Iberia 3466, go ahead.
3436, good morning. Airbus 320, star 394 with information Alpha, startup to Paris Orly.
Iberia 3436, startup approved and you're clear to destination Paris, runway 36 right, Robledillo 1 Alpha Romeo and squawk 1043.
Startup approved, clear destination Paris Orly, 36 right, Robledillo 1 Alpha Romeo and squawking 1043, Iberia 3436.
Iberia 3436 is correct. When fully ready for the push, call ground on 123.00. Adios, nice flight.
12300, bye-bye, thank you, Iberia 3436.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
No delays,
Great.
no delays by the moment.
Okay. Okay.
To perform an evacuation, I will be the first one to try to lift the aircraft through one of the two front doors.
Sure.
And I will try to coordinate the evacuation downstairs, 100 meters towards the direction of the wind, and try to move the passengers.
Fantastic.
It's 3-3 right, so maybe left-hand side of the field.
Okay, great.
Sheet, and it's for our type of aircraft and engines. So our gross weight, takeoff weight 64.3. Should be with flap 2, 64.4 or 65.3, different 2 knots and 2 flicks, but it's turbulent, so it's toga.
Oh, yeah.
So the one of...
yeah, 1 of 46 with configuration 2 would
configuration
be
2 with flap 2. Okay, it's wind calm, and it's 146 V1.
146.
146 BR.
146.
And 149.
149
VG.
Okay.
No flex due to the turbulence.
Okay, perfect.
Configuration 2.
Okay.
No shift for today. And we have a special noise abatement 3,500, 5,000.
Okay. And
in case
we weight 64,300, which is below the maximum landing weight.
Yeah.
So perfect. Right.
Okay, minimum acceleration altitude
3,200. We
3,200.
selected 3,500 to have the 1,500 above the ground. Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay. Perfect. Well, in that case, let us.
Affirm.
Iberia 3436, the push is approved.
Pushback approved, Iberia 3436.
Okay, pushback approved.
Tierra. Hola, Tierra. Buenas. Okay. Let's go with all the checklists, okay?
Okay, grabando.
Let's go.
It's cockpit crew checklist.
Copy.
Circuit breakers, check. Cockpit preparation,
Completed.
completed. Gear pins and covers removed. Signs.
On. Auto.
Emergency lights.
Arm.
ADIRS.
We have it in NAF.
Oxygen press.
We have 1,490. Check.
Check. Oxygen 100 for our tree. Fuel quantity.
Fuel quantity. We have 7,400 unbalanced and disconnected the central pumps,
7,500 balance.
which is correct for this flight.
Baro ref.
Baro ref 1019 with 2020.
2020.
And cross check.
Cross check. Briefing.
It's performed.
Perform. Anti-skid and wheel steering.
Off.
Cockpit crew check. Thrust levers.
Idle.
Parking brake.
Off.
Cockpit door.
Closed and locked.
ATC transponder.
It's set on 1043 and 1 and above. Set.
Before start checklist completed.
Perfect. Okay. And now we're going to start the engines. Center tank flaps only, so it's correct.
Flaps.
Flaps 2 and green.
Trims. 31.
0 and 31.
APU.
It's off.
Anti-skid and wheel steering.
On.
After start checklist completed.
Okay. Let's go with the taxi clearance, please.
Okay.
We're ready for taxi, Iberia 3436.
Iberia 3436, Roger taxi via Juliet, hold short of Delta.
Juliet, hold short Delta, Iberia 3436.
Okay, Juliet, hold short Delta.
Okay. The flight controls.
Checked.
Check. Slides.
Is slides are armed?
Arm. Instrument departure.
Okay, instrument departure from the runway 36 right, Robledillo 1 Alpha Romeo, which is checked. And there is no change, so great.
Fine.
sorry.
Don't worry, we stand by with the checklist. You can call them. And then we will continue with the checklist.
Madrid, buenos días, Iberia 3436.
Iberia 3436, hello, continue to Yankee 1, hold short.
Yankee 1, hold short, Iberia
Okay,
3436.
we will hold short Yankee 1. All right, let's continue with the checklist, please.
Flight instruments.
Well, the flight instruments are checked.
Check. Briefing.
The briefing is it's confirmed. There is no changes, and I fly. There are no overweight for the landing if we have to come back. And the SID is the same as we selected and we planned, so no changes.
And takeoff data is
Takeoff data.
146, 146, 149. Toga.
Okay.
13,000 feet.
Okay.
Flap 2 and
Right.
64.4.
That's perfect. So there is no overweight.
Taxi checklist completed.
Thank you very much indeed.
Oh, not at all.
Okay, we are. Okay, nothing
No.
that we'll have to worry about. So all the runways are fine. Also the
Fine.
taxiways and the aids, navigation aids,
Also,
perfect.
there's
Yeah.
nothing important
We
for
checked
us
this
today.
information also when we started the flight, so we know that everything is fine.
It's also only saying that for runway 06.
The other ones, yeah.
It's the ILS out of service, but
Yeah, but that's not our runway,
it's
so
not our runway.
that is great. Okay,
That is great.
I selected
Briefing.
perform.
ECAM status.
ECAM status, we will have the central tank pumps. which
Landing
are
and runway data.
Landing and runway data are checked. The runway is the runway 26 and the landing data is already done with the radio navigation aids and the progress page.
1-2.
Bonjour, Iberia 3436, maintain 110 reaching departure down, ILS 26.
Okay, 110, departure run 26, Iberia 3436.
Okay, we just received the clearance. Depart Outran.
Please, APU bleed.
It's off.
Engines.
Off.
Seat belts.
Off.
External lights.
For the flight coming back.
Okay, fuel pumps.
Fuel pumps off.
Parking brake and shocks.
On and pressure. Chocks set. Confirmed.
Parking checklist completed.
Thank you very much.